101.1 FM Makassar. Smart FM Makassar, the spirit of Indonesia. Thank you. Every Tuesday we have a special program namely Smart Up Your Life with English Community in Makassar. And I am Zakia. I'm going to be your host tonight. And as usual, I'm not be alone here. There will be several guests here, and we are going to introduce themselves and their communities and what kind of activities they have in the communities. And I'm going to my right side first.
Okay. Hello, smart listeners. My name is Ahmad Aryandi. You can call me Rian. Hi.
Hello, Rian.
I'm from BPEC. BPEC stands for Benteng Panua English Club, and located in Fort Rotterdam. We held our meeting at 10 a.m. until 2 a.m. Yeah. I think that's all for me.
Okay, thank you, Brian. So next, I don't know, should I introduce yourself or not?
Because already,
our
right?
audience already know who you are.
Yeah, okay, but it's okay. I would like to repeat. I would like to introduce myself to my viewers and listeners at home. My name is Samsari Dias, but you can call me Dias, guys. And I'm representative today or this evening of Mak Bicara. Mak Bicara is one of study meeting club, especially for foreign language, because actually Mak Bicara is polyglot community. Yes, like you learn about Chinese, about Arabic, about English, about Japanese, Thailand, and so on. But about our schedule, actually, schedule is right now is still adapt with the committee, because they will be soon send later on, maybe on the Instagram. And to be confirmed about that, you can guys follow the Instagram about Mak Bicara and just DM and ask about the information about the schedule of the committee.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
So there are multi-language.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, I think that's all. Next.
Thank you, Kak Dias. The most beautiful guest here. Please introduce yourself.
Thank you. Actually, I'm so nervous because this is the first time.
It's okay. It is my first time also.
Okay, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nur Sabina Sharif. I used to call by my first name Sabrina.
Hi, Sabrina.
Hello,
Hi.
Sabrina.
And I am a
Welcome.
representative of New Generation Club. If you ask me what is a New Generation Club, New Generation Club is the club since 2003, and the founder is Kak Chulang. And in this club is not only does it emphasizes to learn English, but this club we can develop other talents, such maybe you have a skill like singing, or you can play music, or you can edit not just study club English, but we can have a speech sharing to improve your skill.
Okay, so is what the name? Sorry, NGZ.
New Generation
That's what we
Club.
call it. NGZ.
Yeah, NGZ.
GZ. Yes, NGZ.
Yes.
Is NGZ only for UIN student, or everyone can come?
No, everyone can come. Not only UIN Alauddin Makassar, but every university like unhas and stuff like
Okay.
that. Yes.
So for public. Okay.
Yeah.
Free of charge.
Uh,
It's free.
Should we pay?
Sometimes, but how to say?
Yeah.
Sometimes and
Depend on the
yeah,
program.
yes, right.
Okay. Okay. So tonight we have a very special topic to discuss. The topic is about victim mentality. Yes. This is very simple topic, but something that we meet every day in our daily life. So, based on your perspective, what do you think about victim mentality? Yes, I think better start from my right side.
Okay. Talking about the victim mentality. So, victim mentality it's refers to two words, victim and mentality. So, the victim mentality is in bahasa we can say korban mental, korban mental. Yes. If you are if you have like low mental and you got some illness sometime because of you afraid of what you are doing, and yeah, you start you, for example, you how to say, you have a uh, bad score on your test, and you got like uh, I'm I'm disappointed for myself, like yeah, like maybe you are down and you will afraid of doing a test again. That's the definition
Of
of
victim
mentality.
So it is about your psychological situation.
Yeah, it's about psychological.
Okay, thank you,
Okay,
Kak
thank
Brian. What about Sister Sabrina? How you explain victim mentality based on your view?
Victim mentality. This topic is very interesting to discuss because, as we know, that this happening right now, and about victim mentality, my definition about victim mentality is people who always feel blame, and someone with a victim mentality generally with generally uh, uh, believe that their own life is so bad, and maybe just out for me.
So it is like ungrateful person, you mean?
Kinda.
Okay, thank you. No, that's a very good opinion. Thank you, Sister Sabrina. What about you, Kak Diaz?
Yeah, actually similar with the statement of Ryan, the victim mentality is, but I have to emphasize that the word it's which, not korban mental, but mental korban. I mean like that. Yeah, the people who always like feel, oh my God, how I can do this? Why I like this?
Why I become
why
poor?
why I like that. So always blame their self, himself, herself, the people, right? And everything about the situation. And of course, here is we have to underline that victim mentality is like something like toxic for itself. it's very very toxic because it can make the body can make hope is loose, something like that. That's why there is no big motivation, there is no deep motivation, there is no how to say trigger, how to say, there is no okay, what will I do, there is no like that, something like that, there is no motivation to do something. That's why this is a dangerous actually for the people who feel or have a victim mentality. Yeah.
Okay. As you say that it is quite dangerous. Nah, when we in a relationship, not only a special relationship, but in social relationship, do you have any experience? I mean, you have a friend with a victim mentality, or you meet them in?
I have experience about it when I in abroad. A lot of drama in outside in abroad country because I was work on cruise ship. This is my personal experience, and a lot of people always do drama. They blame someone to get how to say get pengakuan, get how to say good position, and they always do blaming. They abusing something to do playing victim, but actually playing victim and mental victim mentality, it's similar little bit. It's very not little bit, but it's very very similar.
Almost,
Even
almost.
almost. So if you ask me about that, of course, absolutely, I have experience about it, especially when I was work on abroad, something like that. Okay.
What about Brian? Do you ever met a person, or do you ever have a friend who has a victim mentality and always feel that his life is the worst
Yes.
rather than the others?
I ever met the friends that have a victim mentality. That's why I just let him or her like don't blame yourself, like you have to be confident, like that. You have to be confident, so for what you do. I just say to my friend that your fault is your how to say like your first how to say kemenangan, how to say yeah, your failure today is your your suspense of victory. Yeah, your suspense of victory. Yes.
So you give a motivation to your
Yes,
friend,
of course.
and then my question is it work?
Not really.
Not really work.
Depend on the
actually.
person. That depend on the person. I just motivate him. If they don't want to do, just let it go.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Let it
Yes.
go.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Kak Brian. What
Okay,
about
thank
Sister
you.
Sabrina? Your experience about a friend or a family with mental victim mentality?
Yes, I have friends who have victim mentality, and kind of hard to make a relationship with that friends, because as we know that victim mentality maybe bring a negative impact, and then if you can how to say mengimbangi, yeah. Make balance to your friends. Maybe you yeah, you can also have a negative impact too because you're friends. Yes.
And how you deal with that kind of person?
Honestly, I can't deal.
Just with Brian, let it go.
Because it's so hard to build real relationship with friends. Yes, and I can't deal with that. I'm sorry.
Okay, she has a very strong principle actually. I cannot deal with a person with a mentality.
Please eat first this. Come on, this is candy. It's colorful. You know what I mean? It's very colorful.
No, I can't.
It's candy. Come on.
No, I can't trust you. No, what about you, Kak Dias? I mean, you have met a lot of people in your life since you are older here than us. So,
Sure.
how you deal with the people who has a victim mentality, especially in your workplace?
Yeah, I just always positive thinking and let them to do that as long as not mengancam keselamatan jiwaku. It's okay. But if, how to say in English, mengancam keselamatan jiwa, but it's very, very dangerous for our body, our soul, our health. Of course, I report to my office about it if mengancam keselamatan jiwa. If not, no. I just let him or her what he or she wants to do. Even he or she is toxic. So I think I always do my productivity. I just focus with my works. I just focus what will I do, what next, and what next. Yeah, like that.
Okay, because you are a positive person, then you meet
I try my
negative.
best.
So you're trying.
I try my best.
You still be a friend of that person, even though he or she is.
As long as we are a team and we have a business, because we are as a team in our working. That's why that's why I receive. We support each other, but even a lot of drama, it's okay.
Okay.
Because we are a team.
Okay, let me continue my question to you, Kak. Because you said as long as you are in the team, no matter the
because we are work there.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it could be also give a bad impact to the process of the team itself. So do you think what will probably happen to your team when there is a person like this come to your team?
Actually, when we talk about that, this is a very, very global case because whatever will be happen, of course, we have put our professionality to deal it. Yeah. So that's why we have to deal it. We have to make the same frequency even we works together, but in the real world after we works not.
Hang out with you.
No, but only for working together because we are team. We have a same company. We have a same goals in our vision and mission company.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we are a team, but outside we don't know each other.
No.
Okay, I like that.
Just put professionality.
That's a very positive example, and I will do.
Yes.
I will just to do that. And Kak Brian, you said before about giving a motivation to your friend when you have a friend with a victim mentality like that. But the fact it is not really works.
It's not really works.
Okay, so if you have a friend like that, what probably a negative impact that can happen to your friendship?
The worst thing is the
okay. before we continue, Kak,
Okay.
let you keep your statement.
Okay.
So we will be right back soon. Please give a big applause for us. Okay, but before we continue our discussion, I want to say welcome to brother. Thank you for coming. So we will introduce you later because our discussion already postponed before. So let me ask Brian again. Do you think what is the negative impact of having a friend with victim mentality?
The worst thing is we have to break up because they have victim mentality, and they my friend don't do what I say because what I'm saying is just to motivate him or her. Then if you don't if you don't do my suggestion, like that maybe that's the end of our relationship.
So you choose to break
Yeah.
your friendship rather
Yeah,
than
rather than
to fix it.
continue. Yeah.
Okay. Such a good thing, Sai. I mean, you don't need to have a friend like that
Yeah.
in your life. Let it
Let
go. Okay, thank you, brother Brian. So here we have a new guest. He's actually come late.
I'm so sorry. First of all, I'm so sorry. Second
So
of all,
let
I'm
me-
so sorry.
It's okay, actually. We already discussed a lot. So I let you to introduce yourself
Okay.
first and introduce about your community and what kind of activity you do in your community.
Okay,
Please.
thank you. Hello everybody. My name is Aka. You can actually call me Aka or Hakam. And then I'm the representative of Max Al Markas, and maybe our activity as same as all of my friend here. We're doing English discussion. 3 times a week, and then for you guys that want to improve your English skill, improve yourself, how to doing English discussion, you can actually come to us, join us, and be part of us. Thank you.
Okay, so everyone also can come.
Of course, yeah, everyone can come and be part of us.
Okay, thank you very much, brother Aka. So I'm going to give you a lot of questions
Oh,
because
that's
you come late.
I'm prepare myself.
Because we are.
I prepare for that.
I hope so. Before we are discussing about victim mentality, and based on your understanding, what
Yeah.
actually victim mentality is?
Based of my understanding, maybe the one who have victim mentality is the one who always think that they're the victim. Whatever problem happen in our relationship, all the bad things happen in our relationship, they always be the one who got hard. But we need to have the mutual understanding that the fire get burned because there's not just one thing that causes it. There's a lot of things. So you're not going to, you don't have to be like the one who feel like you're the victim. You need to understand the situation. You have to silence a bit, and then you have to see the status quo, and then you need to realize what happened before you thinking you were the one who got hurt, because that actually a bad habit for you if you have a relationship with other people, maybe a friendship with other people, and always feel like you're the victim. That's going to ruin your friendship with others. So yeah, that's a bad thing actually.
Okay, we actually here totally agree that having a victim mentality is not really good. So
Really good.
based on your explanation, do you have any experience to meet a person with kind of victim mentality?
Yeah, we're not going to mention the people, right? We're not going to mention.
It is
the
okay also
person.
to mention the person actually.
Maybe that one not gonna watch this, but I do have the experience actually. I have a problem. We have a problem back then, and then she always like trying to make everybody sure that.
She.
Oh God.
Okay.
That person always to make everybody sure that she is the one who got hurt, and like she it's like a self-centered
Okay.
personality. So that's make people feel like I'm the one who got hurt, and like everyone's always point out of me because I'm all, that's I don't even know how to explain that, but that person always make everybody feel like no, people, we are the one who make the bad thing. We are the evil one. We're the evil one.
They
And,
blame
playing
people.
They blame us, and
Okay.
we don't want to be the one who got labeled as a evil one, right?
I think this is internal.
No. I'm
Yes.
so sorry, but that's my.
I think I can
experience.
understand based on the
Yeah.
story.
It
Yeah.
still hurt me actually
Yeah.
until now.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is her name?
No.
Okay.
But we do. I actually, if I have friends like that, I try to make her understand that you have to have a mutual understanding between you and like all of our friends, because everyone have a heart.
Yes.
Yeah, if you got heart, we always got heart, because we as a one body. You are my friend. If like this is if we are a friend, if we are in the friendship relationship, I will be the arm, you will be the feet, and other people will be the eyes. So if one of our organ feel hard, then all of us will feel hard. So you shouldn't be feel like that, because all of us got hard.
Okay. So you try to make your friend understand about
Yeah.
having a victim mentality is not really good for
It's
the
not-
relationship.
For us, all of us.
But how you tell them, how you make them understand about that?
So I let her angry first, because she's not gonna understand what we're going to explain to her if she isn't, if that people in the angry situation. So
Yes.
when that person feel normal in normal situation, and then we're trying to talk to them, we're trying to tell that person that this is not good for you, for us, for this relationship. If you still gonna have that kind of personality, that habit, so you're gonna ruin us. This is gonna over, now or soon,
Okay. The way how you
and we'll kick you. We're
oh
gonna
my
hurt you.
God, you also will do that
No,
things.
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm a kind person.
Okay, at least we have a kind person here.
And a social, yeah.
or from chat group,
Yeah,
yeah.
we're gonna kick you off.
So,
No more you.
kick out friends. We are not friend anymore.
Yeah.
So, but my question is, after telling or trying to make her understand,
Yeah.
is it work?
This is what is that? This is a habit. This is like a deep personality. So it's actually so hard, so difficult to make that kind of person to understand. Sometimes that people understand, but when we have another same case, they do that again. So yeah, it's kind of hard to make that kind of person to understand that person have a bad personality. So yeah, it's kind of bad. It's kind of difficult.
Okay, but after trying to, I cannot say fix this person,
Yeah.
but let's say change
Yeah.
the personality, but he still didn't get your point.
Yeah.
How you deal with that?
What can we do? We're trying our best to tell that person that it's bad, but then when that person don't even aware with his that person personality, so yeah, we can do anything but tell them. When telling them is not enough for them, then we have no any we have no any way to do that in another. I don't know how to explain this. Yeah, there's no us anymore. It's so difficult. You make
So
me
here,
flashback with my old story.
so here we all we all agree
Yeah.
to say that we are ready to cutting people off our life.
I'm not that kind of person to cut people off, but if that person's so hard and difficult to do, maybe I'm going to be silent. Do a silent
Treatment?
Silent
Silent
treatment. Yeah,
treatment?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, he's still in my life, but I'm gonna let you do what you do, and I'm gonna live my own life.
Okay.
We're not gonna be we anymore.
Okay. So, as a person who has kind of friend like that,
Yeah. So sad.
do you think what the negative impact that will happen to yourself or
Yeah.
to the friendship
Okay.
with a friend like that?
We choosing a friends. We choosing a people to be part of our life. Choosing a friends mean we choosing people to be part of our life, right? And we have a goal in our life. We have a goal in our friendship. But then if we have that kind of person, if we have that kind of a friend, it's gonna make us we ain't grow. We ain't grow to be better. We're going to be like stuck in our place and blame one another. And that's not a good thing to begin a process. So because in my opinion, friendship is a process to be better, and like is a process to be a great person in the future. So if we have that kind of person, if we have that kind of people in our life, it's gonna make us stuck in that position. We're not gonna grow together. So yeah.
Okay, because the importance of friendship is when we can grow
Grow
together.
together.
Okay.
They impact us and we impact them. We influence one another
Okay.
together.
Yes.
Yeah.
I like that. So what party will we go tonight?
I don't
And
know.
so we somebody can has a victim mentality probably because he or she probably has a traumatic things, or probably because parenting or something like that.
Yeah,
So do you think what can cause the victim mentality?
Uh, I remember something in my head.
I'm curious about that.
I remember
Yes.
something in my head. So, in my opinion, when I have friends like that back then, that kind of person always tell us about their story when in the childhood, or like when that person have a life before they meet us. So I think it's a traumatic event that happened in their life, or like there's something, maybe they always like get victimized by that people's friend group. So it become one of that person personality, and that person bring that into that person's life process until they meet us, and then they're gonna do it next in the future when they meet another person in that person's life. Yeah, it's part of traumatic event that happened in that person's life before.
Okay, so the person is not directly become a victim mentality
No,
person.
that must be a process that happened that caused that to be happen.
Okay. What about Sister Sabrina? Do you think what can cause the victim mentality to somebody? Because I believe that everyone has a possibility to be a victim mentality person.
Many things that someone have a victim mentality. I got when I come, I search information about why someone have a victim mentality, and I found a lot of information. And someone have a victim mentality because the first we have a lot of question for their self, like why, and then that person can give like highly position in their life, and that much negative tone of them. Yeah, that's all from me.
Okay, thank you. What about Ka Brian?
Me? Okay.
Yes.
What the question?
What can cause the victim mentality personality?
Okay. The people that have a victim mentality, they there are so many negative things in their mind that before they do something, they always think negative first, and like they want to do some like they want to do like TOEFL test, like yeah, I mean before they do the how to say, do something like I cannot do that, I cannot do that, I cannot do that.
Okay,
Like
they
that.
feel insecure.
Yeah, they feel insecure. Yeah, I think that's all.
Okay, Kadias, what about you?
Question? New question or old question?
I'm still the same question. I'm
Uh-huh.
curious about what's on your mind all about the cause of victim mentality.
Okay, it's like in bahasa penyebab, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I think the causes of victim mentality, like traumatic, betrayed, parenting, education, heredity. You know, like like DNA maybe. Yeah, but the most important actually, the parents before the children grow up. Of course, the children have to get good parenting for their parents, because when the children have good parenting, because the parents have control, right? Have control before before grow up as a teenager. If someone to be as a teenager, of course, the percentage of the control of the parents is like, you know, berkurang, something like that. Yeah, berkurang very. Yeah, something like that. And also like traumatic, the peoples have a bad experience about their life in the past time, a lot of disappointed moment. Yeah, disappointed moment in their life, they got or they feel about it. And the execution also, they are very very dilemma about themselves. They always blame the situation, the peoples, and they blame everything, everyone, every situation. That's why victim mentality need attention from another one, for another peoples. And but if you close with them, you have to actually, how to say, just using your heart, but actually it's very very hard. It's very hard because you have to sacrifice your heart to him or to her or to them. But the question is, are they understand you also, like you understand him or her or them? But yeah, willy nilly we have to make equal our relationship. Do not put 100% attention on careless or your heart to him or her or them, but only 50%. Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
so don't give 100% your heart, brother Aka. Okay.
Yeah.
Just to be yourself.
Okay.
Just be yourself.
Thank you very much.
Okay. We talk about the cause of victim mentality, probably because something traumatic happened with them in the past. And don't you think that actually this person also need to be understood by us? Yes, you can take your mic and talk about that.
Of course, yeah, of
Yes, okay. Oh my
course.
God.
That's why they do that, because they need attention, and because they need attention, it means that there's a problem in that person's heart that needs to be take care of, and that person think that we can do that, but we can't. Yeah, we can't. we let our energy out just because the way that person feel like I'm the self-centered. I'm the one who got problem, but actually the reality is everyone's got problem. But then we need to realize that that kind of person really need a person to listen to them, listen to their problem. Yeah, I think that.
Okay, thank you, brother Aka. What about sister Sabrina? Do you think that they also need an understanding from us? Because I think all of us here ready to cut them out from our relationship.
Blacklist.
Yes, we blacklist that kind of person. What about you?
I think yes. For the first, we can understand, but maybe if the relationship that long relationship, but your friends can change their personality and just like always a victim mentality. I I cannot understand again because for the first we can understand, but maybe for a long time friends just need understand but don't need understand too. Oh, it's so tired.
So having a friend with victim mentality is tiring. Better to cut off them. Okay. So for all of you here who have a friend or met a person with a victim mentality, please give your words to them. What will you say to them? Shortly. Start from Aka.
For my friends out there, if you heard this, yeah, hear me out. Hear me out. Listen carefully. I do understand you. I do understand that you need a person to listen to your problem, but you need to understand that you make us tired. We are so tired. So you're self-centered and you are always playing victim. So we need to fix this. I do actually believe that we can fix this problem because we're a friend. That's why I chose you in the first place. But if you let this control you, I'm so sorry. We're not gonna be friends anymore, or like we're not gonna be like keep up anymore. It's
Okay, that's a good decision.
But I do
agree with
love
that.
you.
What about Ka Brian? Your last words to a friend like that.
Okay. For the person that have a like mental a victim mentality, yes. I don't hope that you are don't do the same thing. I mean, like you have to control yourself. What will you say to your friend? Like, if you do this again, do this again, and yeah, same like brother Aka, we got tired.
Okay,
We get
thank you, Ka Brian. Kak Dias, please conclude our discussion tonight in 30 seconds.
Yeah, for me actually a victim mentality who have or got this issue, you get feeling get disorder. Yeah, because we call this disorder because this is a very toxic. For me, the people who have a victim mentality, go healing, go somewhere. Please enter to your deep mind, deep brain, and contemplation, correction, and just make it deep thinking about it. Why like this? Why the people keep away with me? Why the people's like this to me? Why I always make something provocative, something like that? Why like this? Just so please
Stop it.
please stop the war.
Okay.
Please stop the war, stop violence, something like that. Because we love peaceful, we love friendship, and we love as a friends together. Thank you.
Okay. Sabrina, your last word. Just very short last word.
Okay. For all my friends who have victim mentality, please, if you want to get off of victim mentality, you have more things or a more positive vibes if you get out with victim mentality, and I can help you if you want.
Yeah,
you want.
that's a very
I
positive.
convince you.
That's very positive person.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Kak Sabrina, and thank you, Mr. Aka, brother. What is your name again? That's our discussion tonight, and thank you very much for watching. Let's see you in the next meeting. Don't forget to watch, and